Friends, today I am going to talk about whatever our mind can conceive, we can achieve. Have you heard of Dr. Christian Barnard of South Africa? He was the one who performed the first human heart transplant operation in 1967. He conceived it and hence achieved it. This was a unique feat which the human mind could not easily visualize earlier. Then think of Stephen Hawking, who suffered from motor neuron disease and his body did not obey his command. He was confined to a wheelchair. Neither could he move his body nor speak, but he did not allow this impediment to undermine his soaring spirit. Although he could not move his body, his mind was roaming around, up in space, tackling black holes and basic laws which govern the universe. He left the world astounded, even though he could barely manage his own universe. What a celebration of human spirit! Friends, you must have heard of Roger Bannister, who at the age of 25 set the world record of being the first man to run a mile in 3 minutes 59.4 seconds. That means less than 4 minutes. His final dash for the finish line and immortality broke more than a numerical barrier. He removed the psychological blockage which existed in the minds of athletes. Friends, grit, determination, and concentration are the keys to success. Think of Hanuman from Hindu mythology. When he was confronted with the problem of distinguishing Sanjeevani booty from other bushes, he was undeterred. He carried the whole hill. In the same vein, Edmund Hillary, the Everest hero, said in his immortal words, "Everest cannot grow, but I can, and hence I shall conquer the peak." And friends, he did, and he was the first one to climb the Mount Everest. Walt Disney had to declare bankruptcy 5 times before he became successful. He was sacked by his newspaper editor for lack of ideas, and look at what he achieved. Michelangelo began his career as a quarryman, and friends, we all know what a marvelous work he did, unmatchable work. We have inner wells of strength from which we can freely draw to meet any adverse situation. Our inner references, our intuitions, and belief system motivate or frustrate us. We just have to make a mental picture of victory, which all the above mentioned people did and achieved what they set out to achieve. Do not seek outside validation. Believe in your cause. Break the mental barriers. Friends, the trouble lies within us, not with the environment or with others. Recall the words of Cassius Clay in Julius Caesar. The words are, "The fault, dear Brutus, is not in our stars, but in ourselves, that we are underlings." Keep chasing your dreams. The words of Robert Browning come to my mind. Ah, but a man's reach should exceed his grasp, or what is the heaven for? Friends, always think, dream, believe, and dare to act. Don't fear failure. Nobody has ever led a failure free life. Have passion for what you wish to achieve. And if there is fire in the belly, I have no doubt that you are bound to succeed. Thank you.